Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the fan replacement process for your HP 15SFQ laptop, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Having these tools handy will make your task much easier. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery to ensure safety. If your model has a removable battery, simply slide the latch to release it. For non-removable batteries, proceed with caution and refer to your manual for instructions. Once the battery is removed, turn the laptop upside down. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep track of the screws as you will need them for reassembly. It's helpful to have a small container to organize them. Carefully lift the back cover off. If it seems stuck, gently pry it open using a flathead screwdriver. Inside, you will notice the fan located near the heatsink. Before proceeding, ensure that you are grounded to avoid static damage to the components. Disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. This usually requires gently lifting a small locking mechanism or sliding the connector out of its socket. After the cable is disconnected, you can remove the screws securing the fan in place. Typically, there are 2 or 3 screws to take out. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the fan from its compartment. Now, it's a good idea to clean the area around the heatsink and fan using compressed air. Dust buildup can cause overheating and performance issues. If you notice any thermal paste residue on the heatsink, clean it off using a lint-free cloth. Now, it's time to install the new fan. Place the new fan into the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure the fan is properly seated and that there are no obstructions. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before reassembling the laptop, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the heatsink if needed. This helps in effective heat dissipation. If you're unsure about applying thermal paste, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. Once everything is in place, reattach the back cover and secure it with the screws. Don't forget to reinsert the battery and connect your laptop back to the power source. After everything is assembled, power on your laptop. Listen for the fan to ensure it's functioning properly. If you encounter any issues or lack the tools for this task, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel needed. Finally, if you decide to call in a professional for repairs, we offer a quote before any repair work is done. This ensures you know what to expect in terms of costs. Keeping your HP 15SFQ in good condition means regular maintenance, and changing the fan when necessary is a key part of that process. Following these steps will help you effectively replace your laptop's fan and keep it running smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.